Hello, everybody. Oleg here. Just wanted to share a quick workflow that we have been testing for ourselves and also for some of our clients. This is the evergreen automated outbound campaign based on intent data with Clay, TrustRadius, and Instantly. You can use any other ascending tool instead of Instantly. That's just the tool that we're using. So uh, the main thing here is Clay and TrustRadius. So we can set up a table in Clay with daily updates, and it will retrieve new companies every day, like in our case every day. So like or we can set it for 1 week, but we're doing this every day. With that are companies that are looking for specific services or solutions. So it's highly intent data. It's 20 credits per one company that it shows, so it's kind of expensive. But if we're talking about like really intense data, I think it's worth it. So with TrustRadius, just set up a table, set the daily updates, and set the category. In our case, it's lead generation, but there's a lot of other things you can search for, right? For your industry. Then you can pick the main object vendor. Like, for example, if companies are looking for specific software, the date, the activity type label, like what's the activity. So we haven't set any such details so far, just testing. We just set up the account size, so we don't reach out to like really big companies. You can also set up revenue and so on. So like limit, it's 20 that we set for the update. So every day we get 20 new companies. And activities limit per company, it's one. We set up as one because we don't want to, to have multiple companies here. So just one company, one update, that's enough so far. So yeah, so we set up a schedule here in Clay. And then, like every day, this table is updated. So we need to set up a flow of scoring, enriching the data, and then just finding the people and reaching out to them. So step number one for us is we enrich the data with company enrich. You see, there is some data about the company, domain, and so on. The most important data here is intent activities. We can also build some personalization based on this. So we viewed the lead scrape product listing, right? Okay. But yeah, so we are using company enrich. So like you see in terms of activity, like viewed comparison, clear outs, Novio, lead generation category, lead feeder product using. So basically, this all are signals for us that they are looking for lead generation software. So with company enrich, we separate B2B companies from B2C companies. We have some description. Also, we can build later some personalization based on this. We can also score them by type, like private companies, nonprofit, and so on. Very important thing here is LinkedIn URL. So because we're using this to find people in the companies via Clay, then we check the competitor status if this company is not our competitor, because like a lot of companies that are looking for tools are lead generation agencies. We don't want to reach out to them. And if the account is legible, we find contacts in this company, and then we send, if there are found some specific contacts, like contacts, sorry, like CEOs, founders, chief marketing officers, then you send this data to another table. And here we deal with people. So we have LinkedIn of these people. We need to find the emails of these people, verify them, and if they're verified, we pull this data to Instantly campaign. And this is how it works. Basically, it works automatically. So every day we set up, like every day we have 20 new companies. We score these companies, and if these companies are our feed, ICP feed, we search for contacts that are our buyer persona feed. And if there are some emails, we just add new contacts to the campaigns that are already running on instantly. So, and this is how it works automatically. So we're capturing high intent signals. Yeah, so we have just started this testing. Just we got some replies so far. I'm happy to share the table if you need it, the template. If you would like to set up something like this for your company, let me know. Thank you very much for your attention. See you. Cheers.